Buzz newbies, Mother B here. Kumusta na kayo? I am so happy to see you all today. Alam niyo ba, one of the most common questions I get from you is, Mother B, bakit ba nagiging tuyo at matigas ang aking cake? Well, today is your lucky day because I am sharing my secret to cakes that stay soft and moist instead of turning out dry. Huwag niyo agad sisihin ang recipe. Minsan, it's not just about what is in the cake, but how you treat it. The singular theme today is moisture and technique. Kasi kahit gaano pa kasarap ang ingredients mo, kung mali ang technique, hindi natin makukuha yung perfect texture. So let's dive into the first secret, the balance of fat. Marami sa atin, butter lang ang ginagamit. And don't get me wrong, butter gives amazing flavor. Pero alam nyo ba, butter hardens when it cools down. At iyan ang reason why some cakes get a bit firm after a few hours. So here is the tip. For softer and more moist cakes, do not rely on butter alone. Try replacing a small portion with oil. Oil stays liquid even at room temperature and it helps keep the cake soft kahit ilang araw na siya. Kaya kung ang recipe ninyo ay pwedeng lagyan ng konting oil, malaking tulong iyon sa texture ng inyong bake. Think of it as the secret weapon for that long-lasting softness that we all love. Try it next time! Next, let's talk about the mixing. Ito yung part na maraming nagkakamali, lalo na kapag nagmamadali tayo. Kapag nag-add na tayo ng flour, we have to be very careful. This is where the magic happens, or the mistake. Do not overmix your batter. Once the flour is added, mix only until combined. No more than that, newbies. Bakit? Because kapag sobra ang mixing, the gluten in the flour develops too much and gets too strong. At kapag masyadong maraming gluten, the cake can become tough and rubbery instead of soft and fluffy. Mix it gently, like you're handling something precious. A folding motion is usually the best way to go. So, let's recap our lesson for today. Enough moisture from a balanced fat combination, and a little oil for softness. And of course, gentle mixing. That is the simple secret to a cake that stays soft, tender, and mas masarap kainin. Practice nyo ito sa next baking session nyo, and let me know the results in the comments below. Thank you for joining me, newbies. Don't forget to bake with love. See you next time. Buzz!